ingredient. This contains an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is a super enzyme which cuts through the pain of arthritis and dysmenorrhea. It's a powerful natural anti-inflammatory which reduces the sensitivity of your pain receptors and reduces inflammation in every part of your body. And it tastes great too, so it adds flavor to our mixture. The next ingredient on the list is turmeric. Turmeric contains a yellow pigment called curcumin that gives it that color that you love in your curry. Now, curcumin has many health benefits. It improves digestion, improves liver function, it boosts your immune system, and of course it reduces pain. So we're going to be adding a 1/4 pound of raw turmeric to our blender. Now, next up is our ginger, and you know